Good morning, everybody. Happy last week of fourth grade. Today, or this week, we are going to be finishing the movie Holes. We won't be doing the read aloud portion, we'll just be watching the movie. Since we broke the movie up over about a week and a half, maybe, I think maybe it was a week, um, and we had to stretch it out, I'm going to start us over to where we can just watch it all in a row. We don't have to worry about any interruptions. So we'll start at the beginning and we'll watch about half of it. And then tomorrow we'll watch the other portion. Actually, we'll watch a little bit more than half today. And then tomorrow we'll watch the rest and we will do a Kahoot over the movie Holes tomorrow. So again, we'll start over at the beginning. That way you have all of it together in your mind instead of being broken down throughout the week. And I hope you guys enjoyed this last week of school.